Ever wondered how our ancestors managed to treat diseases and injuries without our modern medical instruments? The earliest known medical tools were simple yet ingenious. Ancient civilizations used trephines for surgeries, while the use of herbs and rudimentary surgical tools was common in Egypt and Greece. The Roman Empire marked a significant leap forward, developing specialized medical instruments that would shape the future of healthcare. So, the rudimentary beginnings in the ancient world laid the groundwork for more advanced tools. As we move into the Renaissance and Enlightenment periods, medical tools took a significant leap forward. The invention of the microscope and thermometer during the Renaissance ignited a spark in understanding the human body and diseases. This spark turned into a roaring flame with the development of the stethoscope in the 19th century, which revolutionized the way doctors diagnosed illnesses. This era saw medical tools becoming not just more sophisticated, but also more specialized. These periods marked a remarkable shift in medical science, with instruments becoming more refined and specialized. The 20th century, often called the Golden Age of Medicine, brought unprecedented advancements in medical tools. With the advent of technologies like X-rays and MRIs, doctors could now peek inside the human body without a single incision. Discoveries like the EKG revolutionized heart health, while the invention of pacemakers and dialysis machines was nothing short of a lifeline for many. These leaps were all thanks to the burgeoning role of technology in medicine. The 20th century saw medical instruments evolving at a rapid pace, becoming more effective and less invasive. As we stepped into the 21st century, the evolution of medical instruments took an even more impressive turn. Robotic surgery, artificial intelligence, and nanotechnology are the latest innovations, revolutionizing healthcare delivery and significantly improving patient outcomes. Imagine a world where microscopic robots perform surgeries, and artificial intelligence predicts health issues before they occur. From primitive tools to sophisticated technology, the journey of medical instruments is a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of better healthcare. Who knows what the future holds?